This yin yoga sequence is for tightness in the hips, any lower back pain, any tightness in the hamstrings, and any discomfort or pain from sciatica. So let's begin in a child's pose. And honoring your body as you move into your child's pose. And you gently extend your arms out in front of you, bringing the forehead to the ground. Notice if it might be more comfortable for your back, your hips, legs, and any sciatica discomfort, maybe to bring the arms behind you into an embryo pose. Honor what your body is seeking. And when you're ready and you're in the position to release and let go, drop into long, deep breathing. On the next inhale, gently start to release the pose. Coming onto your sit bones, extend your legs out in front of you. Bend the right knee, coming into half butterfly, and take the sole of the right foot on the inside of the left thigh. Relax the foot, and with a straight back, inhale. Exhale. Walk your hands towards your feet or foot, left foot, and start to fold forward. Release into the pose gently, allowing the breath to take you deeper. The head, the neck, and the shoulders are relaxed. Use your breath by taking the inhale into where the tightness is or the discomfort, and the exhale to release anything that does not serve you physically, mentally, or emotionally. On the next inhale, start to release the pose. Extending both legs out in front of you. And make any micro movements that will help you to transition to the other side. Bounce the legs, tap, whatever feels intuitively comfortable for you. And when you're ready, bend the left knee. Bring it into the chest with opening the left knee down to the ground, the inside of the left foot on the inside of the right thigh. Inhale. And as you exhale, walk the hands forward, folding over, releasing into the pose. Using your inhale to bring openness to where the body might feel tight or stiff or have any discomfort. And using the exhale to release and let go. On the next inhale, start to release the pose, coming to a straight spine. Extend your legs out in front of you. Make any micro movements that will help you to transition into a figure four. And with your figure four, if it feels right for you today to take the knees, bending both knees, taking the right ankle across the left knee and staying upright. Follow your body's want of intuition and tapping into that. Or if it feels more comfortable for you to come down onto your back and recline into the figure four. Honor your body's intuition, whatever serves you today. And gently release into the pose, using your breath to create this softness into an expansion of flexibility. And using the exhale to release anything that doesn't serve you. On the next inhale, begin to release the pose. And if you're on your back, hug your knees into your chest. And if you're upright, do the same thing. Hug your knees into your chest, tucking your nose into your knees. And when you're ready, coming over to the other side, honoring your body. Do you want to stay up if you were up on the first side? Or do you want to recline down? And maybe you were reclined on the first side as well, but maybe it feels more comfortable to be up on one side and down on the other. Only you know what's best for your body. Honor that body intuition. And once you find that place, that point of resistance, go into long, deep breathing. On the next inhale, begin to release the pose. And if you are upright, hug your knees in, tuck your nose to your knees, and then roll back onto the ground. And if you're on the ground, just hug your knees in. Preparing for a supine twist. So when you're ready, drop your knees over towards the left, extending your legs out, keeping them bent, extending them far over to the ground, and resting your left hand on top of the right knee, or extending the arms out into a T or a goalpost pose, whatever suits your body. Allow your gaze, where your head wants to naturally fall, to relax. Close down the eyes and drop into long, deep breathing. Take a deep inhale. Bring the knees to center. Hug them in. Maybe roll back and forth on the lower back. And when you're ready, exhale the knees over towards the right, extending them as far as they're willing to go. Honoring this side. Maybe the arms are straight out in a T position, or maybe the right hand is on top of the left knee. Honor your body. And when you find that point of resistance, take a purposeful deep inhale and exhale and sigh it out of the mouth. Relax into the pose. On the next inhale, start to release the pose, coming to center. Hug the knees in. Massage the lower back. And when you're ready, come into happy baby. You can rock back and forth if you wish, or you can stay centered. What does your body intuition ask of you right now? Listen to that calling. Honor it. And when you're ready, transition by hugging the knees into the chest and extending the legs out in front of you, coming into your shavasana. If you wish, cover yourself with a blanket, maybe an eye pillow, maybe something under the knees, and give yourself at least a few moments to integrate the benefits of the practice that you just dedicated yourself, your time, your precious time to for self-care. And if you desire to stay longer, do so. Together, take a deep inhale and exhale out of the mouth. And completely release and let go into your shavasana.